Setting again, looking for teammates. Pass to from Mr. Pansoy. Kaganda naman ni Theodore. Nagkagandang pasa. Second quarter. 15 seconds shot clock. At nakakuha ni Mr. Oy. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Pagpantay. No basket. Rebound by Mr. number 1. Kalima. 12 seconds shot clock. No basket. Rebound by Kabayo. Pass to Tuhat. Pass to Mr. Kabayo. 15 seconds shot clock sa ilalim. Nakakuha ni number 7. Pass to number 1 sa Galina. Basket. 15 seconds shot clock. Pansoy. No basket. Dangge. Mr. Galina. Dangge. No basket. Up. Rebound ni 14 seconds shot clock. Dangge. 2 points. 2.3 by the board. Rojas. Pass to Mr. Opin sa gitna. 10 seconds shot clock. Mr. Rojas. Mr. Pansoy. No basket. Ay, malakas. Team number 1, Mr. Galina. 15 seconds shot clock. Up. 2.3 by number 1. 5 minutes and 50. Mr. Opin. Using guard. 2 points. At nakakuha ni Mr. Rojas. Basket to Mr. Pansoy. Ayun. Pansoy. Wala. Meron pa red horse sa katawan. Mr. Galina. Kasi Mr. Alvar. Uy, wala talaga. Nahilo. Number 11. No basket. Ibang by Alvar. Basket.
19, no? Joseph.
Sige, sino magsasabi? Sige. 12 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Rojas. Uy, wala. 15 seconds shot clock. Mr. Galina. Up. But there's a foul. Mr. Galina. Galina for 3. Inimplihan lang. No basket. Rojas. Kabayo, nakakuha ni Mr. Galina. Galina, the power move. No basket, rebound again. No basket, rebound by Mr. Opin. Fast break kanino? By Mr. Aquino. Looking for 3. Malakas. 14 seconds shot clock. Last 4 minutes. Mr. Opin, 10 seconds shot clock. Looking for 3. It's a short. No basket. Mr. Alvar. Huli. Basket kulong. Yun, basket. 3 minutes and 5. Up. Nakakuha ni Mr. Pansoy. Basket ni Mr. Rojas. Pass to Mr. Pansoy. 15 seconds shot clock. Ayun, 3-5. No basket. Ayun, nag-pass ni number 7. Basket. 2 minutes and 33, 10.3 by the board. Mababa na po ang kalamangan. Ay, nakakuha ni Mr. Alvaro. Kasi ba Mr. Aquino? Ayun. Kasi Dangge. Last minute. Dangge. Side step. Basket. It's 2 minutes and 50. Ay, but there's a foul.